Hey, it's Lisa. I wanted to go over the super affiliate funnel again. Here he is, David Deckel. You need to start here at superaffiliatefunnel.com/welcome, and you can read up here, but I think the superaffiliate.com will get to where you're going. So anyway, you've got your three things. All the lights are lit up. I got 16 referrals today. David would like you to follow him on YouTube, join the Facebook, and then follow him on Facebook. Here's your link. So you want to copy that. Here's got backup, your first income stream, SendShark, ROI panel, Legacy Builders. It's a great program too. They teach you everything as far as how to advertise. My favorite, My Lead Gen Secret, Udemy for solo ads, and then My 3 Inner Circle. It's all there. And then you connect your autoresponder. So this is really cool, guys. I want you to check it out. If you have any questions, please leave a message for me. I will get back with you. I just got done sending out my mailers. I send them out a little later in the day, but I use perfect timing, and I believe that sends it out when they figure that that's good. So I use that. But yes, get on board, and it's free to sign up. David Deckel has made it free for us to sign up. Get as many of the systems you can get. I got 7 of 7, and I couldn't afford all of them at once, but I came back when I got paid, and I'm just banging. I mean, there's all kinds of stuff going on. People are making commissions left and right. If I could figure out how to show you what I have, I'll do that probably tomorrow. But anyway, just get this going. You guys will be so happy, and I will talk to you soon. So have a great day. Bye.